Welcome back to Biomes. This time we are talking about the Atlas Mountain Range. Atlas Mountain Range is a very large northern African mountain range that extends all the way from Tunisia through Algeria down into Morocco. They're very tall and have a variety of endemic and endangered wildlife and plant life, some of which have already gone extinct, unfortunately, that will be mentioned. It's also a pretty hot tourist destination, especially if you enjoy hiking and mountain climbing. It's rather dry and warm throughout the year, so a lot of the flora is pretty hardy and drought resistant, but you can still get some very large trees, including this one, the Atlas cedar, as well as the Algerian oak. There's a few other types of trees that can be found there, such as olive trees, which are used to grow olives, as well as just like being there in the mountain. And there's some wildflowers as well, including wild lavender and a few different varieties of rock roses. There's quite a lot of famous wildlife there, including the Barbary leopard, a subspecies of African leopard, the endangered Barbary macaque, a species of monkey that's also native to the area. There's a variety of predatory mammals there, including the striped hyena as well as red foxes, and our favorite angry little guy, the honey badger. There's also quite a few other animals there, including the North African boar. There's also this guy, the Barbary sheep, as well as Cuvier's gazelle, both of which are endangered, and the Barbary stag, Africa's only living native deer species. The rest are introduced. There's also some birds of prey, including our favorite bearded vulture and golden eagles. There's also the critically endangered northern bald ibis found there, and a couple smaller birds such as the Algerian nuthatch and various types of finches and dippers. And there's also a small variety of reptiles, including the Atlas mountain viper, which is endemic to Morocco. And there's a couple of very famous extinct animals that used to live in the area, including the Atlas bear, a subspecies of black bear, which was the only type of bear ever native to Africa, and the Barbary lion, a subspecies of African lion that was native to the area as well. It's functionally extinct in the wild, however, there are a couple descendants still living in captivity.